edge of that one right there. Is that a shelf forming? We have a south. Well, no, I think we can keep going a little bit, huh? Yeah.
We're going to stop and check everything, but if we want to go a little further, we can. This is a high point here. Another one just after it, and the other just off there.
Yeah. I'll watch that a little bit longer, see what it does. But yeah, it's looking interesting on the back.
Look at the gopher.
Man, look at that storm in the distance here. It's getting more collected. Oh, look at that.
You got data running right now or not? You disconnect.
Well, it won't suck any as long as I'm not refreshing the page.
Okay.
Should be fine on that front.
Like, it's pretty intense south of Grenfell. That's the most interesting thing to the left on this. That's probably this. I have no idea. Like,
That's what this is right here.
what?
Because we're here.
So we're on this.
We're here. We're west of Wolseley.
Okay, so we're watching the back end of this. But how can that?
See, we're on a stretch of highway, this angle stretch where this highway heads east-southeast along here. And we're right about this hash line here. So if we look straight down the highway, a little bit to the south, so the highway's going this way, so that cell's right over here. And then what's on the north of that there? Let's see. I sure cleared out to the west.
Oh, here it's 308, so I'll get another image. Yeah, that's getting... Is that getting lower? Out there? Like I can't... It looks like a... There's the high level, and then there's like something that juts out, so I can't tell if that's a shelf or if it's just the distance throwing it off.
Yeah, I think it's distance.
Yeah, I think so too.
We're actually probably seeing some of this here. Nothing too crazy. Best one is this one right here, but that's got all this other rain. It's rain wrapped, eh? Got all this other rain around it in front of it. That's what that blue is out there.
Yeah.
Here's my date for the evening. We've got a intense thunderstorm that's been tracking this way all day. We've just sort of sat where we are. Those cells to the south west were severe warned earlier in the day. Some big hail and winds coming from them, and now we've got our own storm tracking right to where we are. We're live streaming it, and this could get pretty intense pretty quick here. And we haven't really had an opportunity so far this year that's had a lot of severe potential and a lot of tornadic potential, but this is one of the best looking cells actually that I've been able to get in position for, and it's got some great looking structure to it, so definitely want to make the most of this opportunity. It's still early in the season, and this is one of the opportunities that we've really been waiting for to get some great shots. Getting very, very dark to the west of our position right now. Great looking front edge coming towards us here. Looking really dark back in there in the rain. So we're probably going to get blasted in the next 5-10 minutes here. It's coming right at us here now. You hear the thunder. Very ominous looking to the west earlier in the day. Now it's right over top of us here. It's a great looking storm actually. No warnings out on this, so we're not really expecting anything too severe, but could get some very heavy rain. This thing's been changing a lot just by watching it on radar throughout the day. It's some of the greatest textbooks thunderstorm structure I've been able to catch all season. It's only the middle of June. Wind is really picking up right now out here, guys. Rain has just started coming down. Look at the base that is forming back here. Right now I'm stuck waiting for my chase partner so that we can go mobile. Right now I'm filming all of this from my backyard, but I'm waiting for my chase partner so we can go mobile, try to get some better shots of this thing, because right now it's sort of being impeded by trees and buildings. It's getting lower and lower out there. Look at that. Couple more rumbles of thunder. The adrenaline's definitely going right now. We had an 80-kilometer-an-hour wind gust reported in Regina just a few moments ago. Here's my chase partner now, finally. We got to get out in front of this thing. It's getting intense.
Yeah, this is it right here. It's got an interesting lowering actually back there. If you look kind of where it's lighter. I'll get a radar data here going. Really cool breeze, eh? That's a nice looking storm here. Whoa, my goodness, that was a good one. Oh man. Where's my tripod?
Okay, we're sitting here east of Regina right now, waiting for lightning. How we doing, Steven?
There's nothing. There's literally nothing.
Wind's picking up here. Look at that, you got a load of flowers back in there. That's kind of neat, actually. Oh, just missed that one. They go from that tower. Yeah, you see where that tower with the red lights is? No, I'm just trying to figure out the best place to be for it, because like this looks like it's all dying. But all the intense stuff is just a little farther north. And it's almost crossing this road. But there could still be lightning in that other stuff. But the most frequent light, I don't know if there's gonna be a big difference in how frequent the lightning is, but yeah, look at that. I gotta try and get a shot of that.
Might be a funnel.
Wind's picking up.
Might be funnel.
Can you What do I want you?
Wind's really picking up here.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, here comes the rain. Windows up. Watch the computer. Okay, yeah, there's really interesting lowering out there, so we're gonna see if we can get a visual on that. Let me just look at the radar one more time. Your camera died?
No,
Well, I want to get in front of it because then we can get a better view of it. Because right now it's all over top of us. till this vehicle goes. We can always come back. Wait, we got a car coming here.
Do you have your weekend ready?
Like there's this really neat, almost like an inflow tail hanging back here that I saw earlier. Oh shoot. These changes in the dirt. Okay, we're not doing this.
Why not? It's dirt.
Yeah, I know. Well, I didn't say.
I just saw lightning. There's like 3 lightning flashes.
Tell me, you gotta tell me what direction you see lightning.
I don't know, over there by the clouds and stuff.
No, like what? We're heading north.
Okay, north,
So this is north, west, east, south.
northwest.
Okay. Probably that's where it should be according to the map. So. Is there a hill up here? You can hardly see anything.
Yeah. There's one right there.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay, good. This is really soft here. I think it's picking up. Yeah, see right here is this dark base spreading all the way across. So what we want to do is we want to get in front of that more. Gotta watch for a road. Is your window up?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I don't wanna. I honestly think we should turn around, go back to the highway, and then go east on the highway, and then go back up. Because I don't want to. I don't want to punch through the core, because we're actually behind it. I think.
So why would we go back then?
No, we'll backtrack to the highway so we can go east on pavement. Because as soon as we get out here, it's all gravel.
So?
Well, we can go a lot faster on pavement than we can on gravel.
No, that's not good. Whatever, just do what you want. I don't care. If you really think we're gonna get anything, just do it.
Just watch for anybody coming behind us.
I mean, yeah, we got a car behind us.
Oh, shoot. There went my opportunity to turn around. Wait, do we have an approach here? Whoa, there's lightning right in there. I just saw lightning.
Told you.
Okay, 3-point turn. Make that a 1-point turn. Nice. Okay, we're gonna go back. We're gonna go south. Then we're gonna get in front of that. Hoping. So it's the end of another day. A bit of a half sit around and film stuff day and a half chase day. But we did our best to get out and get some lightning and structure tonight. Looked pretty promising at first, and then all the storms are just sort of dying as they slowly track eastward. If we were a little farther west to start with, we probably would have gotten some good shots. But tomorrow's another day. We'll see what pops up. Tonight we got some decent photos. It wasn't anything spectacular like we were kind of hoping for, trying to get some lightning. But you know, it's still early in the season. There's still a risk of some big stuff happening here in the next week or so. So we just got to get ourselves ready and prepared for that, and just keep grinding it out, keep taking advantage of opportunity that we can, and eventually it's really going to pay off. So we're getting there, and you know, we've seen a lot of action in the southwest, and I think slowly we're going to start to see more in the central southern area of the province for severe weather. So we'll keep getting it tuned up, and it's just the beginning. So it's tough to not get frustrated after a day like today, but we're
No guts, no
getting there.
glory.
Yeah, you don't know if you don't try. This was our storm the last 3 hours. This is a 3-hour loop. And we targeted just to the north here. This was the system as it was in Moose Jaw. It started by swift current, tracked towards Moose Jaw, and after Moose Jaw, it just died right off on us. So we're a little bit late to the party tonight, which has sort of been the story of our season so far. Yep.
Okay, say like your line to your outro or whatever.
That was my outro. I'll edit it.
This has been Steven, reproved. Dun, dun.